Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. So we got a special shout out for Mr. Tim Kirkland. The name of the channel is Tim Kirkland. He makes awesome drinks. And he's a huge part of the cocktail community. Everybody in the cocktail community just loves Tim Kirkland. So check out his channel. Give him a sub. So in honor of Mr. Tim, I'm going to make him a drink. I am going to make a drink called The Raven. What's that, Mookie? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's a bit of a stretch, but the reason I'm going to make the Raven for Mr. Tim is a huge Maryland Terrapins fan. Edgar Allan Poe is from Baltimore, which is in Maryland, and Edgar Allan Poe wrote The Raven. So I'm going to make the Raven for Mr. Tim. Here we go. All right, so this is a muddled drink. I got my cocktail shaker. 5 blackberries. So that's going to go in there. 1 ounce of Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. And 1 1/2 ounce of vodka. And 1 1/2 ounce of white rum. And 1/2 cup of pomegranate juice. Okay, Mookie, can you pass me the muddler? It's just over there. Don't worry, don't get up, I got it. All right, so we're going to muddle the blackberries into the drink. Okay, and I got a nice glass full of ice, and I got a strainer. No dirty dumps today, Mookie. We're going to strain it. And I have some more blackberries for garnish. You want some, Mookie? Oh, that is the Raven for Mr. Tim Kirkland. So if anybody wants to participate in the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge, the rules are in the description below. But the number 1 rule is to have fun. I'll get back to that in a second. Rule number 2, it's basically 7 uploads, 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. Back to rule number 1, have fun. You can do shorts, just shoutouts. There's no deadline. And I'm not calling you out just because I gave you a shoutout doesn't mean I expect you to do 7 uploads in 7 days. It's just for fun. Rule number 3, use in the title or description or anywhere in the upload hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. Rule number 4, just leave me a comment in the comment section in one of my shoutouts saying I accept if you want to participate in the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. So again, special thanks to Tim Kirkland and his YouTube channel. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I will leave you with a quote from the band Weezer. You can't knock the hustle, Mookie. Leave a 5-star review and I'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.